Hey, what's up, everyone? Are you trying to find a match on Facebook dating, but it's showing the wrong location? Maybe it's stuck in your old city or it's just completely inaccurate. It is a really common and frustrating problem. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through a step by step tutorial to fix it. First, and this is the most important step, you might need to manually tell Facebook dating where you are. So open the Facebook app and navigate to the dating section. Tap on your profile, then look for an option that says dating location. Tap on that, and you should be able to update your location manually to your current city. After you do that, make sure you hit save. Next up, let's make sure your phone is even giving Facebook the right information. You'll need to check your device's location permissions for the Facebook app. On your phone, go to Settings, then find the Apps or Applications menu. Tap on Facebook, then Permissions. And make sure that location is set to allow only while using the app or allow all the time. Without this, Facebook won't be able to get your correct GPS data. Moving on, if your permissions are already set correctly, sometimes a quick refresh is all it needs. Go back into your phone's main settings, find location services and toggle it off. Then wait about 10 seconds and toggle it back on. This forces your phone's GPS to refresh its data and can sometimes jolt Facebook dating into recognizing your new location. Now, if you are on an Android device, the super effective fix is to clear the app's cache and data. Head into your phone settings, find apps, then Facebook. And in the storage and cache section, you'll see options to clear cache and clear data. Clearing the cache is totally safe, but clearing the data will log you out, so make sure you have your account info handy. This is a great way to fix any corrupted files that might be causing the location glitch. Another thing to consider is whether your Facebook app is up to date. The developers are constantly releasing updates that fix bugs, including ones that affect location services. So head over to the Google Play Store, search for Facebook, and make sure you have the latest version installed. If there's an update button, go ahead and tap it. Finally, if you have tried everything else, a clean reinstallation might be the answer. Completely uninstall the Facebook app from your phone, restart your device, and then download the fresh copy from the App Store. This can fix any deep-seated issues that are causing the location to be stuck. I really hope one of these tips helped you fix a location glitch and you're back to finding great matches. If you're still having issues, you may need to report the problem directly to Facebook's support team. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.